What's up, YouTube world? Today I'm going to shampoo the seats a little bit, but I'm also going to take the seat out and fix that. So what I'm going to do is just release it, pull it out, slap it on top of my toolbox. I'm going to set my toolbox right around here underneath, and then I'm just going to lay on this thing and bend it back. It's got a metal wire frame in there, and it'll bend. Anyways, we're on the front of the seat, right below here. On most of these cars, there's a latch, and you either have to reach in there, and I can feel it's got a little lever. You can't really see what I'm doing, but inside of there, there's a lever. I'll show you when I pull it up. I'm gonna push that thing, just pull it up. Now you can see I was reaching over my finger and found this. Just did that number, and it releases that. That clips in to that. And when you go to put this back on, you just set it down to where that thing's lined up in there, and then I'll just slam my knee down right here. Slam, and then it'll click it back into place. So let's do the other side. Got the latch, pull it up, then just, actually this side latched again, tug it, just give it a wiggle, it'll come out. Oh, trade-in treasures, that's what we call this. I got me a shiny, what is it? Something. Some sort of coin. Kind of cool. I almost rather found a weird coin than a dime. And a lot of times I don't even pick up the change. It's just dirty and nasty. So there's the seat. Go down the toolbox. Go down the seat. It's better, not 100%, but that looks pretty darn good. So I just give it a shove right here, push down and bent it, and then I shove down right here, use that as a leverage point. I was going to show you the metal frame, but you can't see it, it's just all up in there, but it looks like this. Metal frame just about like that, all through the foam. It's not that hard to bend. Back into the car. Sorry for the poor footage. Got one side clipped in and the other side clipped in. Presto changeup. It's got a little, and it's not really, a little bit of a bubble. Oh, there we go. Now it's